Hi, buddy. It's okay. Look at those teeth. All right, I'll back up. You're a tough guy. Cute little monster.
Too hot for you, huh?
Look at these two. Total stare off.
Please, you two. That's just play, huh? Gentle paws. Yep. Best friends.
Easy. It's okay. He's just saying hi. Alright, we'll give you some space.
Oh my goodness. Look at that stretch. Silly kitty. What was that? Oh, scary fingers. Okay, it's just me, little one. There we go.
That's your favorite, huh, Mango?
What are you doing, mister? Look at those kicks. Getting sleepy? Oh, here we go. Pounce! Sumo Kitty's got the upper paw again. All right, break it up, you two.
What do you want, buddy? Asking for snacks, huh? Alright, I'll get you something.
Tail's going.
Oh, here it goes.
He didn't stand a chance.
Hey, tiny hunter. Boop. Come here. One more.
Good kitty.
Whoa. Big tough kitty. What do you see, huh? It's just me, buddy. You good?
Hey, sleepyhead. Oh, all right. Feisty little thing. Okay, okay, you win. Good night, troublemaker.
Come on, Chops. Look at the fancy feather. One little paw? No? Okay, lazy bones. Nap time wins.
Hi, babies. You ready? Look at the string. Get it, little ones. Oh, nice grab. Good job. Oh, mama kisses. Looks like nap time.
He's locked on.
Get it, buddy.
Coming in. Oh! He got it!
You scared yourself.
He's just running circles.
Hang on, buddy.
Are you catching something? You're so funny. What are you doing? You're so silly. Oh my gosh, you're okay. Soft landing.
Oh! Oh no, you okay, big girl? Silly kitty.
Get it, buddy.
That's great. He sounds like he's singing. Get it. Ha! You're so silly.
Gotcha.
Look at him hang up
He's copying himself. Left paw, right paw.
up, buddy.
Whoa, stretch.
The dog's like, how'd you get up
Same
there?
moves again. He's got a routine.
And Dot's gone. Nice job, Paw.
Hey, you two, what's it now? Duck, calm down. Pumpkin, don't swing. All right, break it up. You're both so dramatic.
Oh, you missed it, buddy.
Whoa, Buster. You're hanging on for dear life, you little acrobat. Come on, you can do it.
Ha! What are you reaching for, huh? Oh my goodness, you almost got it. Mrr. Silly kitty.
Come on, buddy, get it. Oh.
You almost had it? Oh, slippery, huh, silly kitty?
What on earth are you up to, buddy? Oh my gosh, look at you standing like a little person, huh? Oh, look, you silly cat.
Look at you standing like a little person. Boop. Oh, tickle, tickle, tickle. Mew. You're so helpless. Oh, big yawn. Getting sleepy? Okay, one more tummy rub.
Hey, Sneaky. What are you plotting up there? You going, whoa! Ow. Really? Alright, you win, mister.
Give me a kiss, little guy. Hey, stop pushing me away. You really don't want it, huh? Okay, okay, no kisses. I get it. I'll settle for this one instead. Still the cutest.
Be nice. Oh my. She's so fierce.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. So sweet. Best buddies.
What are you doing, buddy? Oh my gosh. You're just letting him. Okay. You two are so silly.
You're out cold, huh? Not even a flinch. Okay, sleep well, buddy.
Silly boy.
You smell it? Oh, there it goes. Gentle bite, huh? That's my finger, silly. Yeah, you're sweet. Okay, let go. Good kitty.
Why that face, mister? Serious business, huh? Oh, big lick. You're being so patient. All right, we'll put you down soon, Grumpy Bean.
Oh my goodness, look at you. Just a little water bottle kitty.
Thinking about it, huh? Oh, there it goes. Really, sir? You're very proud of yourself, aren't you?
You're ridiculous.
Oh my goodness. So many kisses. Poor big guy. He looks trapped. She's not letting go, huh? Okay, you two. Cuddle time.
Oh, she's interested. Oh! No way. She's off the couch. Strong jaws on this one.
You guys are so silly.
Nico, your tail's not a toy, buddy.
Smell it, huh? Alright, little bite. Hey, that's mine. You're really going for it. Oh, okay, you win.
Ready, buddy?
Here it comes. Incoming.
Nice dodge.
Back to you.
Whoa, good paw work.
He
Look at
stopped
that
it.
hold. Champion status.
What is it, buddy? Meow. Yeah, it's wiggly, huh? Meow. Curious little guy. Someone's feisty today. Oh, easy, little tiger.
Bean, hey, that's not yours. Drop it. No, sir, let go. Come on. Whoa, okay. Claws down. You've got it, tough guy. Yeah, it's yours now. Thief, you're ridiculous.
You're too cute.
Oh, buddy. You okay?
You're okay. Let's get you dried off.
Another bite? There you go. Oh my goodness, look at that juicy face. Tasty? Yeah, that's a yes.
Hear that? A little cry from inside the bushes. Watch those ears turn. He's listening. There it is again. And off he goes, paws working like shovels, scattering the dirt. He parts the leaves, and look who he finds. One.
Here's Maple meeting her new toy, and she already has thoughts. She gives it a test tap, and off it goes. Tiny feet, big ambition, and the yarn fights back. Uh-oh, temporary setback.
A tiny hunter at work. This ball of yarn hasn't stood a chance all afternoon. Oh, hear that? Someone's calling from the hallway. Ears up, waiting. She listens, then decides the game is more fun.
You can't hold her, Moose. All right, let's go outside.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, Nimbus!
Hey there, buddy. You guarding the packages?
He thinks he's helping.
I'll set these down and back away real slow.
Hey, Maestro.
You're stealing the spotlight.
Good job.
Hey, sweetheart. Smells good, huh? There you go. It's okay, buddy. He's just passing by. You can eat too, little one.
Whoa, hey! All right, Mr. Climber. Okay, hi there. Whoa, hey! All right, Mr. Climber. Okay, hi there.
Oh, that's a blep. Hi, buddy. Tiny tongue. Love you.
You want some yogurt, buddy? Not a fan, huh? Okay, okay, we'll put it away. You're too cute.
Oh, gentle paw. Not going anywhere, huh? You two are too sweet.
Hi, little dreamer.
That yawn,
So sleepy, huh?
those tiny paws.
It's okay. Go back to your nap.
Oh my goodness, buddy. That's not a fishbowl.
You look so serious.
You silly cat.
You want to cuddle? Yeah, that's better. Cozy now?
Brr, you want it again?
Hi, baby.
It's okay, sweet pea. Just the storm. You can hide in here if you want.
Who's that, huh? That's just you, silly. You're still here. See?
Okay, okay. I'll back up.
Hey, it's my hair, little thief. All right, down you go. Go play. Whoa!
Oh, sleepyhead, you slipped right off. Come here, sweetheart. What are you two staring at, huh? Sunshine feels good, doesn't it?
You're so fast, buddy.
Hey, I got you. You're trying to run away again, huh? Wiggle worm. Look at that face. Hi. Okay, I'll put you down in a minute.
This little orange hero has decided the fuzzy lure is hers, no matter how much it wiggles away. Teeth, paws, even back feet. Everything is working together in one determined tug. Hear that tiny...
Oh, hear that? Where are they? You hear them? Not in here, maybe outside?
This little explorer has turned his bed into a mini ball pit. Let's see how long the game lasts before curiosity gets the best of him.
Out in the garden this afternoon, the kittens have been calling. Oreo's tucked under the lilac bush, and Maple's busy digging through her tent. But those little voices have both of them on alert.
Maple's just hanging out on the garden path, but hear that? Those tiny mews have all her attention. The neighbor's new kittens are chatting from across the ditch.
Stretched in the shade, this fluffy neighbor has the afternoon all figured out. But listen, there's a tiny voice coming from beyond the flowers. Ears up, head lifted, someone's calling. Nap time is officially on hold until she figures out.
Willow's on the case this morning, nose to the ground like a furry little detective. She's searching for whatever left that interesting scent in the garden. Oh, did you hear that? A tiny cry from somewhere in the yard.
Lazy afternoon. That's Willow, stretched as far as the sidewalk lets her, soaking up every bit of sunshine. Hear that? Tiny meow? Watch those ears.
That's Willow. She was napping by the hedge, but listen, those little cries? Somebody needs her. Ears forward, she rises and sniffs the leaves.
Hear that? That's the neighbor cat saying hi. Little Potato isn't quite sure about that yet. He makes himself small, just listening. That voice is so deep it sounds like a lion to him.
Hear that? She's calling for her kittens again. That stretched out meow means, where are you? She sniffs the breeze, checking every hint of a scent. Another call, strong and a little impatient.
He's locked in. Look at that concentration. The glass panel's not stopping those paws. And reach. Almost. Meow. A polite request for the toy. Little nose squish. Got.
Hi, buddy. Come here. There we go. Oh. Hey, okay. All right, tough guy.
Hey, sweetie. Look at you up here on the car. Let's get a selfie, huh? Come closer. Yeah, that's it. Hi, nose to nose. You're the best kitty. Yeah.
Hey there, little one. Yeah, that's a good girl.
Hi, buddy. Coming over? Good boy. Oh my gosh. You like that? Yeah.
Come here. Mango. Come here.
Hey, buddy. Hi, sweet thing.
Oh, whoa, you just climbed right up there, huh? Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi.
Come on, buddy. There you go. Good job.
Oh, you like that, huh? Look at that wiggle. Happy tail. Yeah, that's the spot.
Hey, it's okay. Gentle boy. Good friends.
Hey there, little one. Where'd you come from? You look lost. It's all right. I've got you. Yeah, you're safe now. Let's get you warm.
You ready, little one? There we go. Good job. That's it. Nice and steady. You got a tiny milk mustache now.
Come here. Mango. Come here. Hey, buddy.
Hey, lazy bones. You comfy? Here comes the little one. Yeah, hop up. It's okay. There you go.
Hi, Pumpkin. You found the sunny spot, huh? Good kitty. Yeah, you like that.